Hello world, Shelly here, and today I'm going to give you a nice little musical get ready with me showing you how I got this eye look using the Bad Habit Aurora palette, which you can get from the Hush app. And I'm not going to talk through it, I will just show you on the screen what I did. We will listen to some tunes and let's get into this. Have it a quick little halo eye look using the Bad Habit Aurora palette, which is a dupe for the Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette. I hope you enjoyed this little musical get ready with me. My first impression of the CoverGirl mascara Flourish. I like it. I usually don't like these pokey kind of wands, but I like the distribution and separation of lashes that it gave me. I would like a little bit more volume in my mascaras, but first impression, I do like this one. If you'd like to see more of these sort of music accompanied get ready with me's, give me a thumbs up down below, or just thumbs it up if you enjoyed this one. It lets me know what you guys like and what I should keep on doing or not. I appreciate it. And if you have any suggestions for palettes you would like to see a look like this from, let me know down in the comments below. As always, thanks a lot for taking some time out of your day to geek out over makeup with me. I appreciate it, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Bye-bye.